We're back from their unboxing. And if you watched my how to put together your quick prep mandolin, I just want to also show you once it's all together, it goes in about this thickness to store it. So you can
easily store it, like
put it in a drawer, a cabinet. I'm going to put mine in a cabinet. So yeah, so there's that. Put it right over there. Okay, so we are unboxing
the second box.
My second last box, because yesterday I did my blender.
Yep.
All right, what do we have first? So this is, I think, all the stuff that I got as part of my consulting kit, maybe? I think so.
So
what do we have?
Right here we have seasoning mix.
Oh, okay.
It's gluten-free.
Right, okay.
And Southwestern from Paper Chef.
Oh, okay. So we'll have to try that on some meat or tacos or something. All right, what else do we have?
Another cutting boards.
Oh, let's show them. Bigger cutting boards, right? So earlier I had these smaller ones, but for size, they're about double the size.
Yep.
Yeah, so they're bigger ones. So I'll cut those open.
Did you get this from it too?
That is not a toothbrush. That is a cleaning brush for the quick prep mandolin. I have one for the blender as well. So these are larger boards, and it has some nice measurements across here. So it has like julienne, fine julienne, large dice, medium, small dice, and then measurements.
I mean, this thing is like full of stuff.
Full of stuff.
And then
this one, what's it say?
So this actually shows you how much something is when you can just use your hand, like if you don't have like tablespoons or anything. So if you go like this, it's from where this knuckle is right here to the tip of your thumb. If you do a thumbs up, it's from where your thumb, the start of your thumb is.
A teaspoon, a tablespoon.
This is a teaspoon, tablespoon. Can you show them like
the length of your thumb?
Your thumb. And then
your palm.
The palm of your hand. So like take away your fingers. So pretty much your fist, like this part right here.
Is a 3 ounces.
3 ounces. And then a fist from
like around your fist.
And then right here, if you go like this.
Handful. 1.5 ounces.
And then if you make, can you do it?
Like 2.
Like that
handfuls?
right there is
about 1 ounce.
1 ounce.
So if you're trying to measure
it's
without...
like chips and pretzels.
Oh, yeah, to figure out like 2 handfuls.
Oh, this could also be like half cup.
A half a cup. Okay. And then this has... Oh, other way. Turn it over, I think. I think you would put like this.
Oh, got it.
Okay. So, it's telling you the kind of knives to use.
Okay, so if it's from like here.
Like these. See? It tells.
So
tomato, bread, utility, chef.
I can do it.
Oh, he's doing this. Sorry. He's taking over my job.
Santoki, whatever that is.
Yeah, I don't know what that
is a dicing knife. So it's one of these right here.
Yeah.
And then the next one is a tomato. It's one of those small things.
And it has serrated, so it has teeth.
Yeah. This one is for bread. Almost like a knife saw.
We have one of those over there.
And the next one is utility.
All-purpose. Slicing fruits and vegetables. I don't have the Paper Chef knife set.
And then
Chef's
is like for slicing and
big
dicing.
old butcher knife.
Right here. For like watermelon and stuff.
Yep.
This one is for
a paring knife. We do have some of those in our drawer, but not from Paper Chef.
Yep.
So I am working towards a new knife block.
Woo! Round of applause for that.
So I need everybody to buy stuff so I can get a new knife block because our knives are old and we need new ones. All right, what do we get?
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll.
So this is
more super veggie.
Super veggie.
I showed some of those earlier. So you can put these, it's a serving of vegetables in one of these little bitty scoops, has a whole serving of vegetables. And you can add it to smoothies, oatmeal, different things. So I had a larger bag earlier, so I'll be using that. Oh, I did get a knife. Okay. I think this is part of my consultant kit.
She got a murder knife.
A murder knife. He's 12. He's 12. So, this is a coated chef's knife. So let me open it so we can see what it looks like on the inside. A coated chef's knife. It has a cover on it, so
that kids don't
kill themselves.
Ooh, it's like blue.
It's blue. Very sharp. Very sharp. We're not going to touch the end. But this is the chef knife, right? So if we look on our cool little thing here, chef knife is good for chopping, slicing, and dicing big things. So
like a watermelon, cantaloupe, pumpkin, anything like that.
Yeah.
Like Halloween, it's good for that. Like if you want to carve pumpkin or something. Yeah, like that.
A murder knife. Okay, and my coated chef's knife is, hopefully this is going to be great to use with my, to cut some vegetables for my new rapid prep mandolin. Carefully remove the cover. Return the knife to perfect grip, blah, blah, blah. I don't, okay.
So our next item is these things.
Measuring spoons. So I already have one set of these. Yeah. I was going to actually buy another set until I decided,
so you can move this.
And it is different measurements.
Different measurements.
Yeah. So you have it here. And it says 1 tablespoon. And then as you move it,
it shows
you can have different measurements.
And then there's
this one for tablespoon and another one for teaspoons. I have one set. I was going to buy another one, but when I found out I was going to get one with my consultant kit, I did not buy another one because I was getting one.
Like box knives or
yeah. So this will be my second set. I just, because you know, you're measuring things out. Oh, another little scoop for my super veggies. So I have 2 of those. So I'll put one in.
SpongeBob spatula.
What does that even mean?
Spatula.
A SpongeBob spatula, apparently. This spatula, I think, goes with my... What? What is it? Open what? Oh. Spatula. So, this is a mini serving spatula. So, there's that.
Oh, it's like...
It's mini. It does kind of look like SpongeBob. What's next? It's in a box.
We have a little box.
A little box.
A little bitty box.
Dishwasher safe for the spatula.
Amazing. We have too many spatulas and stuff.
We have a lot of spatulas. I don't have one this small though. That's new.
This is like one of those things that you use for Play-Doh when you pushed it. It came out like spaghetti.
So it's not one it is. So it's not for Play-Doh.
But it looks like one of those.
It is a garlic press.
Yeah, like one of those Play-Doh things.
It's a garlic press. Also, I thought about buying one, but found out.
Oh.
I was getting one.
I did it.
Oh, Roxy would like to say hello. Come here, Roxy. You want to come up? So Roxy is our cute Maltipoo. She's a Peppered Chef fan, right? Right, Roxy? Yep. See, buy some Pampered Chef from my mommy. Okay. Okay. She's very cute and she loves attention. She used to be afraid of the phone, but she's not anymore. So, a garlic press, you put the garlic in here and you press it, and then it comes out here.
This?
Yes, and it comes out right there.
And then there's a little thingy that
you clean it with, right? Clean it with. And hopefully he won't be using it for Play-Doh.
I don't even have Play-Doh.
He doesn't have Play-Doh anymore. But also dishwasher safe.
I got it to fit. Oh yeah.
He got the
it fits in every single one, so you can like
able to fit in it. Yeah, so I guess to clean it.
And then right here has a little divot in the back.
Mm-hmm.
And then right here.
All it fits in the handle, so it's always there.
So it's like put it in a little divot and look.
You know, Dawn's gonna love that you're doing my Pampered Chef for me.
I have no idea who Dawn is.
Dawn, Theo's mom.
Oh, her, yeah.
Her, yeah. Dawn, I'm sending you this video so that you can. Okay. This is more of my consultant kit.
This
Recipes for success.
is an apron.
An apron, my Pampered Chef apron.
Yeah,
I'm wearing it too. Believe me, when I start doing videos, I'm gonna be wearing my apron because it's gonna be cute. So I got some booklets to hand out, I'm pretty sure. I got 3 onion rub, a savory blend. You use 1 tablespoon in place of an onion. Here, let's see the Pampered Chef apron. Look at him. He's looking cute over there in the apron. Okay. A reward card. So this is all of my information about being a Pampered Chef consultant, because I needed one more thing to do, right? I met with a friend earlier and she's like, what? And I was like, I know. But I'm doing this in hopes to fundraise for some causes that are very near and dear to my heart. So I should tell you about those right now. Number 1 is Project Lifesaver. So Project Lifesaver is a locating technology to help locate individuals who have autism, Down syndrome, intellectual disabilities, individuals with Alzheimer's. So anybody who is prone to wander away from home and possibly get lost. Project Lifesaver is a band that they wear, and public agencies are trained. It uses radio frequency, so it never loses a signal. They have like 100% success rate finding individuals alive, usually within 30 minutes. And this is very important and near and dear to my heart because as a speech therapist that works with children with autism, I have lost 3 patients in the last 5 years to drowning. So just know this is why I'm doing this. And it says, you got this. So we got this. Did you break something? No, he didn't break something. Okay. The other thing that I will be raising money for, she doesn't know this yet. What? I'm going to love it. I'm going to love whatever it is over there. Is Kentucky IEP Advocate, nonprofit organization. And they help parents with kids that have individual education plans in the school system to advocate for their kids and make sure they're getting the services they need. So I will be most of my Pampered Chef parties will be to raise money that will go directly to organizations that are near and dear to my heart. So, and maybe Tourette Syndrome Association of America. That's another one that's important to us. So this was my box of goodies.
Tourette Syndrome.
What?
I have Tourette Syndrome.
I know you do. That's why I want to raise money for research and information about Tourette Syndrome for my kid. Pampered Chef brochures that I'll be giving out to everybody I meet, I'm sure. Okay, and drum roll. Parker's going to show us something new. What did I get? Oh, it is stoneware. Is it heavy?
A little bit.
It's a little heavy. So this is my stoneware. And you bake on it. Okay, I have never had stoneware before.
You cannot use soap on it. Do not use soap.
You cannot use soap. Did you read that somewhere?
Meme has one.
Oh, Maymay has one. His sister.
So you just
use
water.
Right. You water. You clean it off.
Scraper and you can
Scraper. I kind of don't like the sound of it, but that's okay. I'll get used to it.
some butter with water on it.
Yeah. So stoneware. I don't actually know what I'm doing, but when I start using my stoneware, I'll make more videos because this is fun. And you know what? If my kid does it with me, I'm winning. Because I love it when my kid will do something with me. So this is great. Do I have anything else? I think we have unpacked everything. High five. Thank you. It's been amazing. It's been real. Good night, guys.